little artists! Do you want to draw a bright and beautiful flower today? Let's learn how to draw a hibiscus flower. It's super easy and fun.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started with Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the filament. That's the tall part in the center with little yellow dots on top. Nice and tall, and don't forget the tiny dots at the tip. Good job! Now we'll draw the petals. We need 5 big petals. Start from the middle and go round and bumpy, like a wavy heart shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at that flower bloom. Time to draw the stem. A straight line down and another next to it. Great work! Now let's add 2 big leaves on both sides. Make them nice and pointy with little zigzags. One on the left and one on the right.
La da 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 dee.
Perfect! Whoa! You did such an amazing job! Now let's make our outline bold and sharp to make the flower pop. Trace over those lines slowly and neatly. Looking awesome, right? I love it!
Yay!
It's coloring time. Let's bring our hibiscus to life. Here are the colors we'll use. Pink color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Red color. Green color. Bottle green color.
La da 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 dee.
Ta-da! Our beautiful hibiscus flower is ready. You are such a wonderful artist. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and share it with your friends. See you next time for more fun drawings. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.